The TiVo Voice Remote. It's the only voice remote that lets you speak naturally and gives you the ability to narrow your search results as you go.
What's on tonight?
No special commands, no required words. Say what you want and you'll get it fast.
How about a movie?
Let's start with the basics. Forget surfing the guide to find the channel you want to watch. Just press and hold the voice button. Say the channel name into the microphone and you're there.
Watch HGTV.
Ready to get fancier? Start a conversation with your TiVo box. Show me Chevy Chase movies. To make sure you get exactly what you're looking for from the source you want it. From the 80s on demand. Look for multiple actors together. Is there a movie with George Clooney and Julia Roberts? Browse shows on a streaming app. Show me kids' movies on Netflix. Or search a genre for your favorite star. I'd like a cooking show with Gordon Ramsay. You can even ask for your favorite sports team. When are the Warriors playing? Your TiVo box offers options for recording a specific game or all games in a league, including pre- and post-season games. And if you really want to have some fun, try finding some of your favorite movies using famous lines of dialogue. Hasta la vista, baby. The TiVo Voice Remote. The iconic TiVo remote, more powerful than ever.